Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create login page and OTP page. Okay, so this is the login page and this is the OTP page. So we will create for both application, user application and driver application. So let's start. Okay, firstly I'm going to create one user application. So just open this application, user Ubola app. Firstly I'm going to create pages. Okay, so as you know that we have already created auth page, so I will use this auth page as login page, and I am going to create one more page for OTP. Okay, so just create dart file here, import material.dart here, and then we will use stateful widget here. Here I am going to copy this code from auth page, so just copy this return and then paste here. Okay, and just change the name OTP page. Okay, so this is the auth page and this is also called login page. Okay, and this is the OTP page. Here we will design our login UI, and this is the OTP. Okay, so now I'm going to start creating UI. So run your user application into your phone. Okay, I'm going to show you on my original device. Okay, so this is the auth page. I'm going to create this UI of the login page. So firstly I'm going to apply background of this page. So background colors dot, we will use this amber color. Okay, and now I'm going to set this, so you can see background is changed, and here in all colors create one more variable, and here we will use amber. Okay, just copy this and I'm going to use here. Okay, so all colors dot amber color, and now here we will use stack children widget, and then I'm going to add one logo here. Okay, so firstly we will take position widget here. Firstly here just use clip behavior and clip dot none, and then inside position we will use left 0, right 0, bottom 0, top 0, so the logo will be aligned to center. Okay, Okay, so I'm going to use image here, image.assets, and as you know that we have already added logo image inside assets folder. So inside all images file we have logo images, okay. Okay, and then here all images dot logo image we will use, and we will wrap inside container. Okay, so container, and then the height and width will be 200. Okay, so all dimensions, and inside all dimensions we will create one more variable 200. Okay, and this will be 200, and now we will use this 200 here, all dimensions dot 200. Okay, dimensions dot 200. Okay, just save this. So you can see our logo is appearing here. Now I'm going to apply some margins, like margin edge insets dot all, and then 8. We can also apply this 8, add this 8 here also. Okay, so just create one more variable and then write 8, and then here we will use all dimensions dot 8. Add some more variables. Okay, add all these dimensions here, and now I'm going to apply one by one. Okay, so here I'm going to check whether it is correct or not. 12, 16. I'm going to add one more variable. Okay, here, so 32. Now this is fine. Okay, now I'm going to add one card in bottom. Okay, and there we will add text field for phone number and buttons. So here we will take one more position widget, and in the child we will use container. Firstly, inside position bottom will be 0, and left will be 0, and right will be 0. Okay, and inside here, and inside child we will use card, and inside card we will use elevation will be 3, and then child. Just for testing I am using text. So just save this code, and then you will get this hello at the bottom. Okay, and now I'm going to use container here. Okay, so just wrap this with container, and add some paddings. As insets dot only, left will be 8, right will be 8, top will be 8, and bottom will be 8. Now here I am going to use column widget, and this will be the type of widget. And now we will use text, we will use container, and then child, and then row, children widget. This will be the country code. Okay, and just save this. And now we will use decoration, box decoration, to apply styles here. So border radius dot circular, and this will be 8, all dimensions dot 8. Border dot all, and colors dot gray. And inside all colors dot dart, I'm going to create one more variable. So gray colors dot gray, and we will use this color here, all colors dot gray color. So you can see one border line is appearing here. Okay, and the next we will add text field here, and we will use decoration, input decoration, and then border input border dot none. So we can remove the border of the text field here. Okay, so now going to resolve this design issue. So here just wrap this with expanded, and just save this. So you can see boundary has increased. Now I'm going to add height on this container. Okay, so the height will be all dimensions dot 50, and inside all dimensions I am going to add one more dimension, 50. Just save this. So you can see now it is working. And then here just wrap this with container, wrap this text field with container, and we will use padding as insets dot only, and the left padding will be all dimensions dot 8, and right padding will be all dimensions dot 8. And here also we will use padding as insets dot all dimensions dot 8, and just add style here. Okay, font weight will be bold, and the font size will be all dimensions dot 16. Okay, so you can see plus 91 is looking like this. Okay, and similarly for the text field text, firstly I am going to change the color of this cursor. So inside text field, cursor color, all colors, just go inside all colors and create one more variable, black color, and this is black. Okay, and here all colors dot black color, so the cursor will be black color. Okay, and now the text is not looking fine, so I'm going to bold this text and the size will be 16. So just add style, font size will be 16 and font weight will be dot bold. Okay, and the type will be, keyboard type will be number. And you can see the text is not aligned properly, so just add content padding here, dot only, from bottom, all dimensions dot 8. Add one more variable, 18. Align according to your need. Okay, so just I have added 18, so here we will use 18. Now I think it is fine. I think 17 will be fine. Okay, now this is fine. Before this container, before this text field container, phone number container, I am going to add some text. So text will be login, and inside column we will use cross axis alignment to align all the component from start. So login will be aligned to left, and just apply some styles on login, and the font size will be all dimensions dot 16. 20 will be fine, and then font weight will be bold. I think 24 will be fine, so just apply 24 here. And after this I'm going to create one more text. Please enter phone number to proceed. And add some spaces between this phone number field and this please enter phone text. So I'm going to apply 8. Okay, so now this is fine, I think. And after this field I'm going to add one button, send OTP button. So here we will use container child text and then here send OTP, and just decorate this container. Color will be black and the text color will be just go inside all colors and add one more color, white color. Okay, and here all colors dot white color. So you can see our button is looking like this. So I'm going to apply some more styles. Firstly I'm going to add some padding is insets dot only. So left will be 16 and right will be 16 and top will be 12 and bottom will be 12. Okay, and here I am going to apply border radius dot all dimensions dot 12. This will be circular. Okay, border radius dot circular. Change this border to border radius. Okay, and then here this will be 8 and just save this. Okay, this will be circular. Okay, and now I'm going to add some spaces between this button and this field. So here I'm going to use size box, all dimensions dot 8. Okay, and this will be 12. Now this is fine, and here I'm going to add one placeholder. So inside text field I'm going inside input decoration and then write hint text, and then the text will be enter phone number, and just save this. So you can see here enter phone number. from top all dimensions dot 12. Okay, add one more dimensions on this container. Okay, from top this will be 16. Okay, now this is fine. And here I am going to use margin and just remove this. Okay, and from bottom this will be 12. Okay, I think this is correct now. You can see a placeholder is also showing fine, and when you enter any number then you can see this is also fine. So our login page is almost completed. Now I'm going to create OTP page. So just copy this whole safe area or return. Okay, just copy this after return. Okay, and just paste inside or return. Okay, just replace this return and import all things. You can see in OTP page we have no error now, and I'm going to change this login to OTP. Firstly I'm going to add navigation. When I'll click this send OTP, then it will redirect to OTP page. So here I'm going to add inquiry. Firstly I'm going to create route of this OTP page. Okay, so inside route we will open this page constant, and after this auth screen I'm going to create one more screen. So this will be OTP screen, and just open this on generated route and then create one more case here, and this will be OTP screen. And then here we will have to OTP, you will have to pass this OTP page here. Okay, and just close this on generated route from here. And in auth page when we will hit this button, then I'm going to set navigation. So just wrap this with inkwell, and then inside inkwell we need to pass on tap, and in on tap we will use navigator dot push name. So push name will take first parameter as context and second parameter as route name. So our route name is page constants dot OTP screen. Okay, now I'm going to press this button and check whether it is working or not. So just click this button. So you can see it is working. This is our login page, and now I am going to hit this send button. So you can see the title is changed to OTP. So we have successfully navigated to OTP page. Okay, so just close this auth page because we have already completed our auth page, and now here I'm going to customize this OTP page. So enter OTP, change this title to enter OTP, and this will be successfully we have sent you a verification code to your code into your mobile number. Please enter your OTP. We have sent you an OTP into your mobile number. Please check and enter your OTP. Okay, so this will be the title, sorry, description. You can also separate this text into inside all titles. So here create one more variable, OTP sent description, and just cut this from here and just paste here inside all titles. And now we can use this OTP sent description title here. So write all titles dot OTP sent description and then save this. So you can see this is also working. Now I am going to replace this field with OTP field. Okay, firstly I am going to change the title of this button. So the title will be submit. No need to do anything with this button. And now I am going to change this text field to OTP field. So I am going to use this package pin code fields you will get in pub.dev website. So just go inside installing section and just copy this and go inside pubsec.yml file and add this dependency here and then import this. Okay, you can see we have successfully imported this package, and now I am going to replace this field. So here just go inside readme file and then scroll down, then you will get one block of code. So this is the block of code, the pin code text field widget example. So just copy this whole block of code and just remove this container, where we have put a text field and this text. So just remove this container. I'm going to show you. So just I'm going to save this. So you can see that field disappears, and now I'm going to paste that code, this code. Okay, just copy this code from here and paste here and just import this. So you can see we have some errors, so we need to resolve these all errors. Okay, and inside app context we need to pass context of this widget. Okay, so this is the code, pin code text field, and inside app context you will get context. When you will get this here error, then you need to import. Then after you imported, you will get this app context parameter, and then you need to pass this context here. And now we have to create this controller. So just scroll up, and then here we will use final, and then OTP text editing controller, and this will be the type of text field, text editing controller. Okay, and we will use this controller here. Okay, pin code text field, this controller here inside controller. And for error animation controller we will have to use stream controller, I think. So we need to find here. So you can see when I have searched error controller, then uh, this stream controller is showing. Okay, so just copy this stream controller and then paste here. Okay, so we will get this error controller and just resolve this with import. So just import this stream controller with import dot async. Okay, and this error controller is this controller. Okay, I'm going to write underscore, so this will be private, and just change this variable name here also. So you can see the error has gone, and this is the current text. So now I'm going to print only. Later we will use this field. Changing text and value dot to string. You can see our text, our pin code text field code is completed, and the UI is showing like this. So I'm going to change this rectangle box to circle box. So here you can see shape, so box will be circle. Okay, so change with circle and then save this. You will get this error, so you need to restart your application. I think my device is disconnected, so I'm going to connect this again. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to press on send OTP button. So you can see we have OTP fields, but the background is red, so I'm not going to use red background. So firstly I am going to change the color of cursor. So write cursor color, all colors dot black color. Okay, just save this, and the fade, the animation type will be slide. Okay, and now and remove this background color from here. Okay, so our OTP text field is looking like this. And here active color, all colors dot black color. So just remove this active color. Now I'm going to check what we can do. I think some issues are there. Now I'm going to remove this red color. Okay, so just comment this, so you can see the red color is removed. And if you want to, and here I am going to remove this also, background color, and just save this. So you can see now OTP text fields are looking fine, but and here inside pin code text field I am going to assign keyboard type, so the type will be number. Okay, I think our code is completed. No issues now. So after this we will create driver application, login page and OTP page. So just check this only once, and then we will move to driver application. So you can see this is login page, and after enter send OTP, my device is disconnecting, so please wait. The application is running. Okay, So when you click this send button, send OTP button, then you can see this is text field button, and when I'm entering any text, then it is working fine. Okay, one last thing left. I'm going to remove this space. This is much space, so I'm going to remove this size box. Okay, and just run this application. So I think user application code is completed. Now I'm going to move on driver application. So just close this user application code, and now I'm going to open driver application. So this is driver application, and just open Ubola app folder which we have already created. Okay, so Ubola cab, and then mobile app, and then inside mobile app we have user app. So inside lib I'm going to copy two files, auth screen file. Okay, auth screen file. So just copy this two file, just copy this auth screen file. Okay, and now I'm going to paste inside driver app here. Okay, so just open lib. Inside this driver app I'm going to open this view, and then inside view we have auth screen. So inside auth page, now we have this code. So I'm going to replace this with auth screens, and I am going to remove this previous auth screen folder with auth page. Okay, and here inside pubsec.yml file I am going to copy this dependency. So we will get this dependency. So just copy this pin code field and then paste here, and then import this. You can see we have successfully imported this dependency also. And now go inside auth page, and firstly I'm going to remove all this and import this. Firstly I'm going inside route page on generated route, and then here change this auth page. Okay, so the error resolved inside on generated route, and auth page we have some error, so we need to fix this. So inside all colors, just open this all colors file, and we have to add variable that is amber color, and the color will be amber. Okay, and just import this all colors. So you can see it is imported, and now I'm going to import this also. Similarly I'm going to copy these dimensions also. Okay, so just go inside user app and then just open all dimensions and just copy this, and inside this dimension I am going to paste all the dimensions which is written in user app. Same dimensions I have copied. Okay, and you can see many errors resolved, and similarly for all images we have to import, and for gray color we need to add colors. So for colors also I am going to copy this, so just copy this and just open all colors. I have copied from user application and pasted into driver application. Okay, so this is all colors. You can see only one errors now, and we have to add one more screen, OTP screen, inside page constant. So just open this page constant and then this will be the OTP screen. Okay, and then inside on page generated, here add one more case for OTP. So this will be OTP screen and just change with OTP page. Okay, and then you can see inside auth page we don't have any errors now. Now I am going to solve all errors inside OTP page. So just remove all these errors and import one by one where we are getting errors. So just import all, and I'm going to copy this OTP send description also from all titles. So just copy this all titles from user app and then paste here. Okay, this error is also resolved. Now I'm going to check this application whether it is working or not, driver app. Okay, so just run this application. Now you can see this is driver application. Okay, and this is the login screen which we have created in driver application, copy from user application. Okay, so when I'm going to hit this send button, so you can see this is OTP page and this is also working fine. Okay, so OTP screen and login screens both are completed on both application, user application and driver application of Ubola. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe.